think a time like this will come when all schools will be on
Just in the
lockdown?
last hour or so reported its first coronavirus death taking Australia.
But should I stop the one thing I love to do? Oh no. Ever since the lockdown, the mobile classroom app has helped me to learn at my comfort from Nigerian and African teachers. Subjects I didn't understand the class, I now do because of the ability to study at my pace. I know the app is free for this pandemic period only, if only they can get support to make it free forever.
We have been told that.
My name is Damiro Abraham. I am from Iju Senior Grammar School and I use the mobile classroom app.